Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to block a person on your iPhone. So we go firstly to the phone book, which you want to choose which person you want to block. So you go to the person which called you want to block him or block her. You click on the exclamation mark here. And then scroll down to the button, block this caller, block this caller. You will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on the block list. Block contact, click block. Tap block, blocked. If you want to unblock this caller, you can unblock. Block, block. Thanks for watching. Bye.